today we're going to make some Christmas cards with a Christmas tree in the middle. But if you're thinking we're making this, it's actually in the link below. So if you're interested in making it, try watching it later. So today we're going to make some Christmas cards for our teachers. And we're going to have to need some construction papers like these. So let's get started. First step is you need these two construction papers. This one is thicker than the red one, and the red one should be slightly smaller, and these should be cut into half, so it can look like this. So first you have to fold these two in half like this, not like then you open this and put the card inside. Half. And make sure this part is touching the line. If after you put on the line, you have to do it. So it should look something like this. So let's put this to the side. So put it to the side and let's move on to the next step. The next step has to require scissors to put your Christmas tree. So first, you have to choose a color. There's these two colors you can choose from. I'm getting the right one. Okay. Now let's start. And the folding. Then you put this, and here's the line. So take this. Do not go over the line. And fold this to the half of the line. Then let's do the same here and keep folding it down here. So you see these ones. Fold it in, then fold it to the line again, out, and then flip it around.
Mine look like a fan.
And mine look like a bulb because I'm in the middle. Maybe. So, next step. So, use your middle finger do not print it. And make it here. Use the scissors to cut on this point. So keep your eyes shut. Use the one you just cut out. Leave a little bit out again and keep copying the steps. There we go. So do this. Some smaller. And this one. About this. So I cut them from biggest to narrow. And this is the tiniest one. But the tiniest one here, you have to cut it in half, but not straight half. It's a triangle half here. This might jump out at me. So, the outcrops. So we cut it from longest to shortest, and next we're going to glue it on the card. So take your biggest one. Okay, put this back in that. Okay, and make it flat. Then add the glue. Ta-da! We made our Christmas tree. Now we can decorate the front. So you cut color, draw, and write on it. Or put decorations with glitter. That's a forward inside, Mickey. So I'm going to draw this red, green, white. No, white. Yellow, black, and there's no white. Here. Yep, this one works. Next, we are going to decorate our Christmas tree. So we cut out a star. It's a trestle like this, and we're going to glue it down. So if you drew it like this, glue this down so the pretty circle shows up. Oh, it's beautiful. So I actually wanted to glue on these little stars, but I was too lazy to cut them out. So we're going to use glitter. And you need a plate. Why you need a plate is because for me, I do not want to mess up the table and have to clean up later. So you put your card here. And you use glue. So next we're going to let it dry, and what I know, this is like a butterfly body. And the body, and it also kind of looks like the bee of the yellow stinger here. I don't get why I had to do that for some reason. Okay, what? We let it dry. Any more butterfly? Ta-da! This is our final product. And leave some space so you can write your teacher's name, sweet messages, and of course your name. And don't forget to clean up the table. Your parents will be very mad. Thank you for watching. Also, please don't forget to subscribe on Pearl and Mickey's channel and hit the like button. Also, to search up for more information, please type up Pearl and Mickey. Thank you. Bye-bye.